How to check your Meta AI chat history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your Meta AI chat history. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Meta AI app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the two dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you will see the section labeled as Chats. So here just below the chat section, if you scroll down, then there you'll see a list of your previous conversation with Meta AI. So there you can simply tap any conversation to open it and continue where you left off, and that's it. That's how you can check your Meta AI chat history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.